Good morning. My name is Michael O'Neill. I'm both a patient and a client here at DAP Health. My husband, Mark, and I lived in Laguna Beach in San Francisco for more than 40 years. And after finding out that I had pancreatic cancer and having a 12-and-a-half-hour operation, we had to fold down many of the things that we had. So we left San Francisco, we left Laguna Beach, and came to the condo that we had down here. In doing so, we needed to find new medical support. We had had everything for more than 4 decades there in Laguna Beach, everything that medically you could possibly imagine. So my husband began looking about and found a young doctor named Christopher Foltz, and he said, I think that would be a good person for us. So we went ahead with the medical agencies and found the address and got in the car and put the address in the navigator and came through and pulled up in front of what was then Desert AIDS Project, now DAP Health. Looked at one another in surprise and said, what do you think we're doing here? And got out and walked in, and everyone that we saw in the hallway said hello. The people that greeted us were kind. They directed us to the clinic where he was. We waited, and when it came our turn, we went in together because we had always done everything together. And Dr. Foltz was kind and gracious, and at that point, his name tag said Christopher. It didn't say Dr. Foltz, it said Christopher in really big letters and Foltz underneath that. And we told him about our histories, our joint medical needs, and he proceeded to take incredible care of us. Not long ago, Dr. Foltz had the opportunity of a lifetime to go to Cedars-Sinai. And as much as I hated to see him go, he needed to do that, and I needed, because by that time, Mark, my husband of 44 years, had passed. So I asked for Dr. Morris, and the moment that I did see him, I knew that he was going to be wonderful. In fact, the day before, I had been in the very hallway where I'm filming right now, getting ready to do a talk for DAP Health, and he came by, and I said, Dr. Morris? He said, yes. I said, I'm Michael, and I'm probably your newest patient. He said, oh, really? When am I seeing you? And I said, tomorrow. And to my wonderment, he just leaned down next to me in the chair that I was sitting in and spoke to me for 10 minutes. And again, I knew that I was going to be in the right hands. So Dr. Foltz, absolutely incredible. Dr. Morris, amazing. And my references, my care, the concepts, the personal attention, the knowledge that I know that I'm taken care of and that my husband, who passed, was taken care of as beautifully as possible, is so reassuring you can't imagine.